Hey guys, me and Venus today, we ended up in a little town called Boca de Tomatlan. I might have said that earlier. We're gonna go explore a little bit. We're gonna see the beach. We're gonna get a little bit to eat. And then we're gonna go find a market to try to get some more cribs. Coolers. And you should see this place, it's so amazing. So it's tucked in this little valley. There's a river coming through and it's just like sheer mountains but covered in jungle. There's vegetation, like you got beautiful flowers everywhere, all kinds of jungle plants and stuff. Like you're in the jungle, you're in it. So, and the rest of the towns that are just down this way here, going south of Puerto Vallarta, they're all like boat-in only, so. Tomorrow we're gonna go do a fat hike, beach hopping, boom, 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 like 7 beaches, 17 beaches, 70 beaches, 700 beaches.
Or like 3.
7,000 beaches. No, it's about 3. Yeah, I exaggerate, okay? So, but I didn't exaggerate about the beauty of this place.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and we're in that dope little Airbnb that I put a video up earlier, and you'll see that. You can push the link and rent it. It's dope. All right, later.
Hello. Teresa.
Manuel.
Manuel.
Cody.
Oh, Venus.
Venus.
Venus. Nice to meet you.
Eso es my house.
Ah, it's really nice.
Wow, I like this one.
Oh,
Really?
beautiful.
Yeah.
Mhm.
This is beautiful.
Tiene muy bonita vista.
Bonita.
Sí.
¿Te gusta? ¿Te like it whiskey?
Oh yeah.
Así.
Oh.
Oh, that's the chaser. I got this too.
Oo.
Salud.
Salud.
Salud, amigo. ¿Tú no quieres?
Ah, un poco. Siya.
Gracias.
¿Está abierto mañana para,
Sí.
para desayuno?
¿Qué quieres desayunar? ¿La costa?
Sí.
¿Los dos?
I love a nice Mexican cat.
I know. So cute.
Nice Mexican cat, nothing like it, you know? I know you don't understand me because you speak Spanish probably. You don't even get it. Okay guys, so we're back from the beach. It was pretty nice down there. We had some ceviche. I had fish ceviche. She had fajita and some Coronas. And that was pretty dope. I bought a bracelet because I'm a cool like that.
Yeah.
Look at this turquoise stones. These are real blue stones and they carved skulls into them. Like, I ain't no jewelry type of dude, but I was like,
But
that's
that's
pretty
cool.
sick. Like, how much work went into that? Probably made in China. Sorry guys.
Oh.
And then Casey got this bracelet. Little tiny Mayan guy. Must have been Mayan, I'm guessing. He's
Yeah.
tiny, but yeah, not anything against the Mayan people, but they're really short in stature.
But very nice.
Very nice. He's a very cool guy. Got him down to 400. Use my bartering skills. My bartering skills.
Yeah, right.
I'm just joking. I'm joking. Anyways, we're gonna go swimming. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go swimming now down the river. It's right across the street, and we're gonna cool off there. It's gonna be awesome.
We're heading across the river. We're gonna go sit on those rocks.
Hey guys, so we decided our spot's in the river here. Look at that crystal clear water. Goes directly out into the ocean in the Bay of Banderas. And look over there, that's our Airbnb right across there. The one with all the vines on it, not the yellow and pink one. It's the one that's covered in vines. And the water here is beautiful. It's so fresh. This comes directly from the mountains. There's like nothing back there. Like, there's no big city that pollutes this. This is like fresh water, and you know what? It's pretty cool. Like, cold. It's the temperature is way lower than the ocean. So, if you want to actually cool yourself off, you don't really go in the ocean because that's like basically urine, and this is like actually cold. Venus is going in. That's fresh mountain jungle water, baby.
Ooh, it's refreshing.
Yeah, if you go in the ocean, you don't even really get refreshed that much. Yeah. Yeah, so basically all these little villages along the coast, south of Puerto Vallarta, they all have a river system that comes out of them. And that's basically what the village was built around, is these fish, like freshwater and saltwater fishing. And yeah, now there's kind of resorts popping up and stuff, but they're still pretty, this is still pretty remote. Like it's way down here, and there's no road after this. The road just ends. The rest of the villages are all like boat in only. And you can see it's just thick jungle up there. So it's pretty wicked down here. Still pretty uncommercialized for the most part. Everyone's friendly, nice atmosphere, just a neat place. So many kids up the river having a blast. Like, everyone's just swimming in the river all day, and the kids are freaking frolicking and woo! It's awesome. Come down to Boca de Tomatlan.